Alright, so we have discussed angle of elevation. So now let's discuss angle of depression. So here, from the illustration, nakikita natin si bird, siya yung tumingin kay dog na nasa baba. So yung angle of elevation or yung angle of depression from eye level papunta pa ibaba, yun yung tinatawag natin na angle of depression. So kung si angle of elevation is yung angle na na-form from the eye level pa itaas, yung angle of elevation, si angle of depression naman is from eye level pa ibaba. Alright? So angle of depression is the angle between the horizontal and a line of sight below the horizontal. So from here, from the line of sight pa ibaba, yun yung tinatawag natin na angle of depression. And again, we can measure the degree of angle of depression gamit yung mga trigonometric ratios natin. So if ever hindi niyo pa alam kung ano-ano yung mga trigonometric ratios natin, I have other video about that. So I'll put the link below para masundan niyo kung ano yung mga trigonometric ratios natin. Alright? First example is an airplane is flying at a height of 4 kilometers above the ground. The distance along the ground from the airplane to the airport is 6 kilometers. What is the angle of depression of the airplane to the airport? Alright, so dapat may question mark to. So let's say this is the airplane. And then yung airplane nasa itaas na siya pero meron siyang 4 kilometers. Okay, na layo or taas from the ground. So, this is the ground. So, meron siyang 4 kilometers. And then, yung kanyang naitakbo na, okay, naitakbo na mula sa airport is 6 kilometers. So, ito yung path niya. So, hinahanap natin is yung angle of depression. Okay, so, mula sa current position niya sa itaas, papunta doon sa baba or kung saan siya nagmula. Okay, so yun yung hanap natin, angle of depression. So, remember class, that from the properties of a rectangle, so all the angles are right angle, right? And the diagonal are congruent. So here, yung nabubuo natin dito at from here are equal. So, kung meron tayong 4 kilometers, ayan, 4 kilometers na taas or height ng airplane from the ground, and meron dito yung 6 kilometers na distance niya mula sa kanyang pinanggalingan. So, ano yung sukat or angle of depression na na-form ng airplane? So, here, meron na tayong adjacent. If this is our angle theta, meron na tayong adjacent at meron na rin tayong opposite. Okay, so we can use tangent. Tangent is equal to opposite of adjacent. So, substitute lang natin 4 is the opposite and 6 is the adjacent. So, 4 divided by 6 is 0.6667. But because we are looking for the angle, so dapat naka-degree siya. Okay? So, sa scientific calculator ninyo, alalahanin ninyo kapag gagawin siya into degree, dapat naka-degree mode kayo at dapat i-press nyo muna yung shift and tangent, then 0.6667, and we have 33.69 degrees.
33.69 degrees only. Walang km dapat siyan.
So another example, we have an airplane pilot sights a life raft at 26 angle of depression. The airplane's altitude is 3 kilometers. What is the airplane's horizontal distance d from the raft? So when we talk about altitude, that means height. Okay, so sa airplane daw may na-sight siyang life raft. Okay, at 26 degrees. Ayan. So here, given na yung angle natin. So, mayroon din siyang, ang taas ng airplane from the ground is 3 kilometers. So, yung hinahanapin natin dito is yung distance ng airplane mula sa raft. So, ibig sabihin, we now have the angle and we also have the opposite. Okay, so given na si angle at given na rin si opposite side. So, ang hanapin natin is yung kanyang adjacent. Okay, so we can solve kasi Dahil nahanap natin yung horizontal distance, this one, so ibig sabihin niyo yung adjacent ang hanapin natin, adjacent sa kanyang angle. So dahil dyan, gagamit tayo ng tangent. Right? So, substitute na natin yung opposite, which is 3m. Then d, siya yung hanapin natin, yung distance. Then, substitute nyo rin yung 26 degree kasi given naman na siya. We can apply multiplication property of equality para ma-isolate natin si t. So, kapag in-multiply natin siya both sides ng t, so that will eliminate t here and dito t times tangent 26. But since si d yung hanapin natin, apply nyo ulit division property of equality para matitira na lang dito is si d is equal to 3 divided by tangent 26 degrees. Okay? So, meron akong video about division property of equality and multiplication property of equality. I'll put the link below para mas masundan ninyo. Alright? And now, you can divide directly gamit yung calculator ninyo. So, press nyo na yung 3 divided by tangent 26. That is 6.2 kilometers. So, therefore, yung distance ng airplane from the life raft is 6.2 kilometers. Alright? So, meron ding pagkakataon na yung mga given problem ay ganito. To be safe, a 20-feet ladder should not incline more than 70-degree angle with the ground. Suppose the ladder is leaned against a house at this angle as shown at the right. Find A, height A reached with the ladder, B, the distance between B from the base of the house to the foot of the ladder. So therefore, sa problem na ito, dalawa yung hinihingi or dalawa yung hahanapin natin. Okay? But always remember class, no, it is better to make an illustration based on our understanding from the problem para mas madali nating ma-solve yung problem. So here we have here the illustration. This one, this is the ladder. So ito yung ladder, meron siyang 20 feet yung haba ng ladder. At sabi din dito, 70 degrees angle. So, this is the house. Ayan. So, yung ladder, naka-incline siya sa house natin. Ayan. Then, mayroon siyang 70-degree angle from the ground. So, ang hanapin natin is yung height ng ladder. So, this one. Ang altitude nito yung hanapin natin. So, nandito yung dulo ng ladder. So, mula dito sa ground, yun yung hahanapin natin. And ang pangalawa nating hahanapin is yung distance naman, yan, distance ng mula sa base, okay, mula dito sa base ng bahay, papunta dito sa pinakapaanan ng ladder, alright? So, let's solve first the height, okay? To solve for the height of the ladder, we can use sine, because we now have the angle and we also have the hypotenuse. So, sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So, hanapin natin si opposite. So, sine 70 degrees is equal to A. Siya yung hanapin natin over yung hypotenuse natin is 20 feet. So, substitute lang natin. Then, shortcut na lang tayo. Cross multiplication. So, pag cross multiply natin, understood kasi ito na mayroon siyang denominator na 1. So, we have here A is equal to 20 times sine 70 degrees. Okay, class? So, to simplify 20 times sine 70 degrees, so that will give us 18.79. So, therefore, yung height ng ating ladder is 18.79. Alright? So, another is yung base naman, or yung B, yung distance ng ladder, ang hahanapin natin from the base ng house papunta sa kanyang paanan. Okay? So, we can use cosine. Okay? We are looking for the adjacent side. Okay? So, ito yung angle natin, hanapin natin yung adjacent. Then, meron naman natin hypotenuse, so we can use cosine. So, substitute natin si cosine 70 degrees. Ito yung angle natin. Si P, o yung ating adjacent, siya yung hahanapin natin. Yung hypotenuse natin is 20 feet. So, again, shortcut na lang, cross multiplication. So, we have now P is equal to 20 times cosine 70 degrees. So to simplify this one from your scientific calculator, that will give us 6.84. Again, if we are talking about angle of depression, yun yung angle na na-form from the line of sight or from your eye level paibaba. Okay? So, tandaan nyo lang class, if we're talking about elevation, nag-a-elevate ka. So, we are referring paitaas. If we are talking about depression, pa-down ka. So, we are referring the angle na na-form pababa. Alright? So, that's all for today, class. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next lesson. Thank you!